So this customer decided to go with a Stryker lift kit. This is their 2.5-inch kit. It's pretty simple. Has the name badge up top with a Fox reservoir shock. And this is the 28-inch JTX Pike in all polished, wrapped in a 38 1350 28 Fury MT. 2023 new body style F-350 28-inch JTX. What wheel is this?
Pike.
The Pike. New wheel for 2023. It's on a 3.5-inch Stryker lift kit. 38-inch Fury MTs. Float and center caps from JTX. Super nice. Did Fox shocks on the front or in the back with a stabilizer too. Super Duties have came a long way in about 40 or 50 years here. This is a 78 F-250 custom. Not really a Super Duty, still a 250 though. Then you got the 2023 450 Platinum. Size difference on these trucks is crazy. Another build we just got done in the shop. It's a 2021 Denali HD. Got some 24x14 Archon Mandelas and a ready lift, an 8-inch ready lift. The upper control arms on it. Some MT tires. It's a good entry level, good price tire. This whole entire build, I'm sure, comes in somewhere under $10,000. So if you want to play, if you don't want to pay, there's always an option for you. If you want to A little unboxing today. We have 22x14 American Forged Nemesis. American Forged has great quality typically, and the black and milled is usually really crisp. So I'm going to open these up and show you, okay? 24x14 American Forged Nemesis in the black and milled finish. We didn't do the rivets on the outer lip. We had those just smooth lip with logos. I wanted to throw a little something into the video today about Mcgaughys lift kits. I sell a lot of these at the shop, and you know, everybody here loves the kit, and a lot of people here own the kit on their vehicles. We sell more of this than we do anything. A couple of the upgrades that people often ask me about on the kits, I'll show you. This is one. This is the faceplate upgrade for the standard cross member. Now, whether you're doing a Silverado or a Sierra or something like that, or you know, a Tahoe or Yukon, the kit is a lot alike between each model. There's the faceplate on Alex's kit over here on his Silverado. So what you have is a 7-inch cross member that can be adjusted. The lift kit can be adjusted up to 9 inches with this strut right here. See the ring? I've personally had mine for about 4 or 5, well, actually about 5 years now, daily driving. I've had great luck out of the kit. Now, I paid a little bit extra for this faceplate piece that you see here. Alex has one as well. The faceplate is a billet aluminum, and it's like a, I don't know, $500–600 upgrade. That's not all they offer though. They also offer upper control arms right here. Now, you don't have to have these with the kit, but it's a really nice, you know, add-on to it. It gives you a little bit better ball joint angle for your 9-inch upgrade option for the lift. Also, it comes with these little faceplates that can be removed and powder coated. And I paid a little bit extra for these billet aluminum ball joint caps. You don't have to have those either, but it's definitely an add-on that you can do. Right here, I didn't upgrade my strut braces or my strut tensioners with the faceplates yet. Like Alex did, you can see under here, if you look on his rear traction bars, he has the faceplates on top there. Those are also add-ons, something you can do in powder coat, or you can leave them silver like this. Tahoe doesn't have bars in the rear like that, so I don't have the option, but it's on every pickup truck you have that option.